Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Before we start, glad you are here, and if you're passionate about building, repairing, DIY, you're on the right place. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe so you never miss any of the content coming through your way. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you're always in the loop. Let's dive in, and thanks for being part of the journey with me. Today we will remove the front and rear engine mount bushing and install a new one. As you can see, the old engine bushing is already loose and no longer as soft as it should be. In theory, the expansion is relatively easy, but as well tricky, so please follow the instruction I'm gonna give to you. We're gonna drill a few holes directly on the sleeve to release the tension, and please do not place the drill directly near the housing, very important. Now we fill oil into the holes and use an old screwdriver to better distribute the oil into all areas. With a few circular movements, the sleeve will be pushed out, quite easy. The area now needs to be completely cleaned of grease and oil, very important. To install these SilentBlocks, I'm gonna use assembling paste. You can buy it in every shop. So this is initially very slippery, but once it dries out, it becomes very, very solid. So, and please do not use oil or grease for the assembling, yeah? A small screwdriver helps me to press the sleeve in. Once everything is in place, align the blocks that everything is in the middle and it's really in the center. Now we change the front SilentBlocks. The blocks have a stop point, and so we will make a mark on the drill so that we don't drill into the housing. Here again, it is important that we drill directly near the sleeve and not around the housing. Same as the rear SilentBlock, we take oil and an old screwdriver to distribute the oil in all areas. Here too everything needs to be cleaned properly and the right assembly paste is used again. What I forgot to show you is a washer on the battery side, so behind one of the SilentBlocks. But that's not a big deal at the end. We now use a stand press to assemble the blocks, which is the best option you could take. Don't use a hammer. If you don't have a stationary press, you can also take a threaded rod and screw the SilentBlocks in. That's also possible, not big deal. Right, and this is the last step. So really last step, then the job is done. So take a look into the hole, and when the two pipes are in line, perfect. If not, you have to use the bolt to adjust it a bit before the SilentBlocks are stuck. But yeah, done. Hope you enjoy the video. See you next time. Bye bye.